I waited and I waited. You know, I knew that it was coming and arrived 4 days later of what the mail was saying. This is my unboxing from the Sewhaley Jane, and I will share with you what I got here. I already see this, by the way. I'm just trying to show you how it comes. Usually when you unbox this, it has a beautiful yellow paper that is very famous for everybody that gets the Sewhaley Jane. So now I will show you everything that comes inside of the box. Trying to find the best light. Okay, I removed this and I will show you what I have in the back. The box. The box comes in this way. The yellow paper is always famous on this box. And let me see. So the first thing that we have, of course, is the magazine. I will not show you exactly what it has, the magazine, but I have something to show you. That is amazing. And let me find, look this here. It's not cute. There is my Frozy and the toy that I made for him with part of the fat quarters that came in the previous box. So I'm so happy I was selected for that, and I love my babies there. So this I can show you later. So the box that I have here is the classic box, and that means that I get 2.5 meters of fabric for fat quarters that will be changing in a few. And so these are the fat quarters. I got 4, and these we will get only fat quarters until September, and then it will change for fabric that will kind of be coordinating the one that we get, the main one. So this is one. It's really cute. I don't know if the light is helping. I hope so. It's a really cute one. The next one, these ones are like with dots, very pastel colors. It looks so much like spring Easter colors, you know. But the theme of the box is soft girl summer, so it's kind of like soft colors. Then the next one is this with a background in a mint color. I have not decided what I will do with all these fat quarters. I have to think about something. It's so cute, beautiful colors. Have to see if it will be something very delicate, and maybe we'll find some ideas. And then this one has a more like a peach, like between peach and like a pink color background. Okay, what else came on my box? We also got the treats. This time was marshmallows in pink and white. I think this will be really nice for a hot cocoa, or maybe I will kind of warm a little and melt them with chocolate and some crackers like s'mores. So I like the notions that we got. This time we got these very small bottoms, and 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, yes, 9 of them. And I will find a, I'm not sure how I would use, but I always need them, and maybe I can create something with these ones. We also got this beautiful washi tape. The washi tape is used a lot on sewing, and I didn't know. You can use to mark where are you on your machine. You can use to hold like labels or zips. So, and I like this, and of course I will be using in some point on my planner too. So that's the other thing. The color of thread, they always send you 100, I think it's 100% polyester 100 meters of thread. And this is a Uterman. It's one of my, I will say it's my favorite thread, and it's a pink color. Means that my fabric is pink. And this is the fabric that I got. It's 2.5 meters of, this looks a lot like linen. It has this kind of texture of crispy or wrinkles, but is they say in the paper is vintage cotton, 100% cotton. It's pretty thick, so I'm sure that it will be really nice for something that I was planning, that is dungarees. And I watch videos, and a lot of people is going to do dungarees with these plans of dungarees that I saw. It was between this one that is like a vintage dungaree that has more tailor on the body. Maybe it's really cute. I can do it a little more bigger, but at the same time I am not in the shape to wear something like that. I saw this other one that from Tilly and the Bottom, and it's really cute. It's very easy to do, but I actually ordered one that is also from Tilly and the Bottom that is a little more the style that I'm looking for. So yeah, that's what I got. And now I need to wash my fabric, wait for the pattern that I ordered, and see what happened. And I will show you what I did with everything that I got the last month, the previous month. So I decided to begin this. I have all the pieces cut. All that I did is put the interfacing, and now I will, I need to change also the strings, that it was not easy to get these strings. And now I'm going to put the part of the neck together. And I remember now that I have the little treats from my box, the UK candy. And I made a cup of chai tea with a little milk, and I will put this to dry. It looks like little cookies of this one. Let me try one. Oh, yeah. Totally perfect for the tea. I will tell you something, being very, very lazy. I know that is maybe because I have this, because my period is coming and it really affects me a lot. But I have the leftover of my fabric from this one. I'm so proud of my blouse. I love it. I wish I did longer, but I didn't know if I have enough. Anyway, so I will do these shorts. They're very, very short, and I think I will use them more like PJ shorts to be at home. I have enough for that, and I will be using the how you call this, the elastic that came also in my box. So I'm practically using everything from my box. The instructions are very simple, so, and I will use my overlocker for this since it's also with black, and I think will be really quick to do. Let's see what I can do. It's time that I work these. I cut my fabric, have everything ready. It's only nerve-wracking because I never did shorts before. So let's see how we do. I'm sure that I have to do more than anything with the overlocker. And let's see what parts I have here. So number 7. Number 9. 8. This is the long number 10. What I have to do first. Here we go. So it says that number 8 and 7. Number 7, it has to be the right side. If I'm missing anything, I need to mark. Okay, I got my part. It looks like a bit messed this, but it's saying now that I have to turn around. Wait, so this is the back side here, and then I have to turn this and top stitch that part. This matching here. Okay, let's do that. I hope I'm doing right. So they told me in the paper say that I turn it in this way and I will overlock this part. But after that, say I go to the other side, and then it's a an outside top garment over yoke and pocket section matching small. Okay, so I think I will do. Then I have to put together both of them. Let's see. Let's do one part at a time. Now I have to match inner seam from back, the inner leg seams matching notch stitched seam. So that's the part that I have to do. It's been challenging to understand these shorts, and of course they look huge, but oh, don't tell me that I sew in the wrong way. No, I did good, but it's because I need to also add the elastic. I still think that I made so big. It's okay, I will use to sleep. So now overlock that part. Put the elastic. Did I forgot to cut a little piece there? Of course I forgot. I need to put the elastic. I will have to do some kind of sewing there.